Good morning from Honey Bear RV Park by the Sea in Oregon. This is our campsite that we're staying at. And as you can see, nobody is camped next to us. So we are totally socially distanced from everyone and having a great time. Suzanne and I have been down to the beach this morning and we're going to show you how to make a cairn. What we did first was we walked down to the beach and we got ourselves a bucket full of different shapes and sizes and colors of rocks. And there's Suzanne, she worked on her bucket. She's been cleaning her rocks.
Got my bucket
and
right
some
here.
other treasures we found, a gray, big, nice rock for our garden at home, and some driftwood, and a little shell that is empty, but it kind of opened up, so we thought it would be cool to have that also. So this here is what a cairn is, and all it is stacked rocks that are different sizes. And a lot of times you see these stacked rocks on trails that you hike, and it's to guide your way. When you walk past one, you see, oh, there's one and there's another one on the trail. It keeps you kind of on the trail, and so you don't get lost. And it comes from the Scottish. They started it, and it's a sign of respect if you put one of these up on a hillside, up on the hilltop. And then, as you can see, Miss Suzanne she's starting to build one. And if you come across one out in nature, you can always add rocks to it or make another cairn for yourself. So she's just picking up different rocks, different sizes. You really start with a big rock on the bottom, and you use other rocks going smaller and smaller till you get to the tippy top. She's got one. And so as you can see right here, I have a large rock and then a little smaller rock. I'm just going to put it right there. And at the same time, you can see what Miss Suzanne's doing. And there's the next rock. And I'm going to put this rock on. And finally, I'm going to top it off with this very pretty red rock that I found.
Beautiful.
So there you have it. That is your how to make a cairn. You can do them out in the wild. We liked these rocks. We spent probably an hour and a half on the beach this morning collecting all these fine rocks so that we can make this video for you. We hope you enjoy it.
Yep.
And again, we're at Honey Bear RV Park. That is the RV that we're traveling in this week. Yes, and we had a great time at the beach and sharing this video with you. Have fun!